Money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and services that you may need to live in well. First point is that, first key point you have to write that money cannot buy a pollution free environment and protect from infectious diseases like coronavirus in the epidemic year 2020. 2020. Money cannot, and other also. Public facilities like school, hospital, transport, public distribution facilities are based on demand, but pollution free environment, safe and liberal environment इनका जरूरत है, इनको money cannot buy. And money cannot buy equal treatment in the society, freedom, dignity, and honor in their life. Hmm? And there are other so many examples like money can purchase food but cannot buy hunger. Hmm? Money can purchase bed but cannot sleep. Cannot buy sleep. नींद नहीं परचेज कर सकते हैं. Money can purchase all things but not satisfaction. Hmm? Next question, BMI, body mass index. What is BMI? BMI determines a person weight in regarding to his height. So whether overweight that person, underweight or normal. So BMI, to calculate BMI, we have to put one formula, weight in kg, kilograms, and divided by height square in meters. If BMI is less than 18.5, that person is underweight. If BMI is less than 18.5, that person is underweight. If BMI more than 25, that person is overweight. I have given two questions to all of you to solve the two questions. Whether the two person, first question, Ravi is 20 year of age, has 65 kg of body weight and is 1.4 meter tall. Okay, you have to tell me in the comment box whether Ravi is overweight or underweight. Okay. And next question, a person height is 1.6 meter and weight is 75 kg. Calculate the BMI, that a person is underweight or BMI or overweight. You have calculate to on. Pause your video and solve this question. After that, you will show the answer. Okay. Find out whether he is undernourished or why. Now, this is the solution of the first question. Ravi is your 25 years, that's why 65 kg. 65 kg divided by 1.5 हाइट इन मीटर्स, उसको स्क्वायर कर दिया है. ओके, 65 डिवाइडेड बाय 1.96 एंड इसको कट करेंगे तो 33.16. व्हेन वी कैलकुलेट ऑल दीज we found the value 33.6. That is more than, that BMI is more than 25. So Ravi is क्या है, overweight. Okay, I think सभी का आंसर ठीक ही आया है. HDI, HDI an attribute to measure development, Human Development Index. Okay, UNDP use a criteria called HDI. UNDP, what is, next question, what is the full form of UNDP? This comment, pause your video and comment the UNDP का full form comment करना है. UNDP stands for, pause your video and comment. Okay, after that move. United Nations Development Program. Three factors are taken into the consideration for the HDI measurement of the development. First point is the GNI, that is gross national income per capita. Second is life expectancy at birth. Third point is mean years of schooling of people is 25 and above. That is NAR. Human Development Index in the world map. The HDI always between 0 to 1. The countries HDI expressed as a ratio between 0 to 1 only. High developed region value closer to 1 and less developed region closer to 0. Okay, so these are the category given here, the index or the worldwide human development index value. Okay, data regarding India and neighbor country neighbors for 2017, Sri Lanka and India. Data given here: GNI, life expectancy, mean year of schooling of age, and HDI rank in the world. India and other neighboring country. So India's rank was 130, and Sri Lanka is in better position than all neighboring country. Sri Lanka is 76 rank. Sri Lanka rank is 76. Norway is Norway is number one with an HDI of 0.949 out of 189 countries. Okay, I think all of you understand this criteria, this data. Now question may be asked in the examination. Explain the Human Development Index. Okay, the Human Development Index statistics क्या है? Human HDI is a statistics of three indicators used to rank countries in their level of human development. Okay. First point, gross national income, GNI per capita. Second point, life expectancy at birth, mean year of schooling of people. This question may be asked in the question examination, so you can read and write and read and learn. Okay. What is the difference between main criteria used by the World Bank and United Nations in classifying different countries? UNDP criteria and World Bank criteria. What is the difference? Countries, this criteria used by World Bank, criteria with per capita income. The countries above the US dollar 12,056 per annum and above are called rich countries. Below 95 955 per capita per annum और उससे कम low income countries. This criteria used by the World Bank. Okay. Next question is, what is sustainability of development? Next question is, what is sustainability of development? It means development should take place without damaging the environment, and development in the present should not compromise with the needs of the future generation. Okay. Question. Next question. The earth has enough resources to meet application based question. This question application based. The earth has enough resources to meet the all what not enough to satisfy the greed of even one person. How is this statement relevant to the discussion of development? Discuss. This question may be asked for the 5 marks. Okay. Think and write, then write. Development does not depends on the economic factor of a country, but is also depend on किस पे भी डिपेंड करता है, but it also depend on resources available for the people of a country to use, not only the income. Okay. So natural resources are non-renewable. They are limited in the stock. Natural resources on the basis of stock, they are limited. उनका stock limited है. एक बार खत्म होने के बाद not renewable. So it is the responsibility of the people to use them only to meet their needs and not satisfy their greed. We have to use the natural resources for our needs only, not for the satisfying greed. जितना हमको ज़रूरत है उतना ही यूज करना है. If natural resources are not used wisely now, future generation may not be able to use for their needs, which will result in the downfall of the development of that country. Okay, so it is said, we can say that the earth has enough resources to meet the need of all, but not enough to satisfy the greed of even one person. Okay.